We are all familiar with these little black boxes we plug into the wall and use to power our battery-operated devices, calculators, laptops, and things like that. Let's open it up and see what's inside. What do we expect to see? Well, we expect to see a transformer. This one has a leg that goes down the middle through that yellow coil you see. Actually, those are two yellow coils, one on top of each other. And my pen is tracing out the iron core. From this angle, you can see power from the wall goes in the plug, and it is connected directly to that top coil. The lower coil has outputs that go to our device. But something is missing from our little black box. Can you think of what it is? Stop the video and see if you can tell what's missing. Did you spot what's missing? If this little black box is powering a battery-operated device, it has to convert the signal to DC, direct current, because that's what batteries supply. But there's nothing here to do that. This is just a transformer. It takes in AC power at one voltage and puts it out at another voltage. Let's take a closer look at this black box and see what it's supposed to do. It takes in 120 volts AC and puts out 15 volts AC. That's very unusual for one of these black boxes to put out AC voltage. Let's see if this is a more common black box. The input goes in at the plug through those red wires to the top coil on the transformer. And the bottom coil sends its output to this circuit board. On this side of the circuit board, you see two diodes. On the other side, you see two more diodes. And in the middle, there's a capacitor. That converts the signal to DC. Let's take a closer look at what this black box is supposed to do. Input AC 120 volts, output DC 12 volts.